the Everybody Scream album because I found this song too embarrassing, actually. Because how long and how many times can I write songs about someone not texting me back? And there comes a point where you're just like, I think I'm too old for this now. Maybe this isn't cute anymore. But it just became everyone's favorite song. And so I was like, fine, I'll fucking put it out. And then it became everyone else's favorite song. So now I'm gonna have to sing it forever. Please sing it with me if you know the words to this one. I made 1,000 people love me now. All alone in my resolve is sinking like a stone. What would I even say? I guess it's something that just never goes away. A crowd of thousands came to see me and you couldn't reply for 3 days. Stupid and vanished and you're a disaster when you walk into the room. None of it matters, so baby, I just buckle a resolution in tatters. And I know it won't work, but make it ache, make it hurt, keep me a secret, choose someone else. I'm still hanging on, buckle on your bed, buckle on your bed. Buckle on your bed, buckle on your bed. Then you close the door and leave me screaming on the floor. Oh baby, I just broke. I can't take it anymore. Let you walk all over me, honey. Make me think my therapy is a waste of money. Drinking it down, haunting your city, falling for anyone awful. Tells me I'm pretty, I've lost your number.